Chapter 1: The Wonderful World of Science. Science is all around us, in the kitchen, garden, sky, classroom, and even inside our bodies.
Science is not limited to laboratories. It lives in ordinary moments when we cook, observe plants, watch the sky, or notice changes around us.
Real life connection. Observe something carefully, ask why it happens, and investigate. Science is a way of observing, questioning, testing, and understanding the world.
Key ideas include curiosity, observation, questioning, testing, stronger when evidence improves, and scientists are willing to learn and change.
Hots think, can scientific knowledge become weaker when evidence changes? Let's observe. Curiosity begins when we notice something and wonder why it happens. Curiosity turns ordinary observations into questions. Did you know? People once believed the sun moved around Earth, until careful observation changed that understanding.
So how do we find answers? We use the scientific method. Observe carefully, ask a question, make a guess, test it, and analyze what the evidence shows.
A hypothesis is a testable possible answer, not a wild guess. Test ideas safely, use evidence carefully, and never perform experiments that could hurt you.
Are we all scientists? In a way, yes. A cook, farmer, mechanic observes, asks questions, tests ideas, and learns from results.